Hey there, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I thought that we would have a quick look at the Tombow November VIP Club. I was not paid to do this video. I just picked it up myself because I was wanting to get some new pins and it popped up in my email box, so I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try and see what it was about. So first off, you got your box and then you've got 12 new colors. So we've got the little sheet here, and I guess inside it's going to have everything that comes in your box. So that's pretty nice. I think pretty much everybody now does that. So, and you can also, if you get the thing, you can use hashtag Tombow VIP Club to post on all of your social networks, and they will keep track of that. So first up, we have a 2-ton blending pen. Let's see. Okay, so we've got, it looks like a spritzer bottle and a blender pen. And there's also a laminated sheet that shows you all the colors of the Tombow dual brush pen markers in there. And then on the little sheet here it says blending guide. So you've got a 2-tone blending pen. Apply a dark color to the blending palette. Pick up the color from the blending palette with a lighter colored pen by dragging the pen tip through the color. As you use the pen, the color will automatically blend and change tips will self-clean during use. So that's pretty nice. So I guess you can scribble some on there, and then you can use a lighter pen. So if you put the dark blue and some pink, you pick up the pink pen, you pick up dark blue, and you can make it do the blending thing there. So direct blending, start with a light color on the bottom, apply a small swatch of darker color on the top, then use the Tombow colorless blender, so that must be this, to do a darker one. So here you got darker up here at the top, and then you blend it down and you can create this lighter tone down here. And let's see, what does this one do? The blending palette. So you can use the blending palette and you can put a bunch of different colors and pick it up with the blending pen and then do like the little cactus down here. So I'm assuming that this right here is the blending. Oh look, ta-da, it says blending palette right here. So you could use that to put different colors on here. Okay, let's put that over here. Next up we have, it looks like a bag to put the colors in, the markers. So we've got this little zippered pouch, so you can put all your pins in here, and then you could take it with you. That's kind of cool. Okay. And then we have our colors. Oh my gosh, look at all those things. Aren't those beautiful? So let's go ahead and open that. Just dump all those out here. So we've got a bunch of really pretty colors. Oh, look at all these pretty blue-greens. I'm loving those. So it looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue-green colors. And then you've got a gray, a brown, like a little peachy toned one, yellow, purple, and then a couple of pinks. So we've got all of these. So that's a pretty good selection there. So let's go ahead and put that, let's move some of this stuff, put that right here. And then in the box also, you've got a couple of laminated sheets for practicing. So struggle with tricky letter combos. Use a dual brush pen to practice the most common tricky letter pairings. I like this, and it's laminated so you can wipe it off. So you could kind of take your pen over the top of this and practice. And on the back is some lines for like writing. And here you've got the whole alphabet in a smaller case. And then the uppercase on the back. And then in here, you've also got a color chart. So this must be all the colors that come in the dual brush markers. And here's a tracker, so you could put the ones you have, you could fill in a little circle and then keep track of which ones you have there. So there we have it. So let's go ahead and try one of these with our pens. Let's go ahead and we'll just use, let's use this purple one since it's the darkest one. And we will do this. So let's see. So you're going to start out on the A, and it's skinnier over here. And then when you get over here on this side, I'm assuming that you must press down a lot darker, use more of the pen, and then use just the tip to do this end. So let's try it with the next one. Obviously, I'm going to need more practice. And then more pressure as you come down. And then you use a little pressure on this. And then when you're downstroke, you use more pressure to make more of a line. And then when we sweep around to come down, we're going to use more pressure. And then when you come up, you're going to use less. So downstrokes, more pressure. Upstrokes a little bit, downstrokes more pressure, upstrokes a little bit. So that's kind of nice, and then you can erase it on there. I'm really liking that. So I can't wait to give these a try and see what they do. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description box if you want to pick one of these up. I am not associated with them. I just think that they're a good bargain for what you got in the box. You got all this great stuff in there. Just something to try out. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video and like to see more of these kind of unboxing things. Otherwise, I hope you're having a fabulous week and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.